Inspired by the ability of nature to heal and restore itself to a healthier balance, we've created Inspired Nature, a carbon-neutral flooring collection that promotes renewal within ourselves and nature holistically, designed to enhance biophilic workspaces. Inspired Nature evokes the experience of expansive natural vistas. The collection's modular carpet styles include Painted Desert, Sky Atlas, and Tundra Flower, which is also available in Powerbond. The styles feature 12 colorways drawn from nature's palette and our premium Dynex SD fiber system, which delivers permanent stain resistance and long-lasting beauty, even in high-traffic areas. Inspired Nature also includes 2 styles of LVT, Metamorphic and Riverbend. Each style is available in 2 colorways with the added ability to custom color. Our tectonic protection ensures that this LVT stands up to the worst of wear, providing a safer, more beautiful floor and space. Combine the styles or use them individually to create spaces where all people feel supported and inspired to perform at their best. The Inspired Nature collection is certified carbon neutral and designed using cradle-to-cradle principles, so you can deliver a better environment indoors and outdoors. Find your nature with Tarkett.